The prevailing southwest monsoon conditions persisted today, bringing heavy downpour to several parts of Sri Lanka. The day's heaviest rainfall of 104.6 millimeters was recorded from the Wattavela area in Nuwara. 2 lives were claimed in separate accidents related to tree collapses in Hanwella and Puttalam, bringing the total number of lives lost during the monsoon season up to 6. Meanwhile, Minister of Power and Energy Kanchana Wijesekara remarked that the Ceylon Electricity Board had reported over 36,900 power outages in the last 3 days due to the inclement weather conditions. According to the minister, the CEB has deployed additional service staff to attend to the breakdowns. In case of power interruptions, consumers are requested to lodge complaints by either calling or sending an SMS to the CEB hotline 1987 or through the CEB Care mobile application or the CEB official website. The Meteorological Department forecasts that prevailing showers and winds will continue during the next 48 hours.
Very heavy showers, about 150 millimeters, are likely at some places in Sabaragaon provinces and in Kandy and Nuwara district. Heavy showers above 100 millimeters are likely at some places in western and northwestern provinces and in Mana, Galle and Mathura district. Strong winds of about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour can be expected at times over western slope of central hills and northern, north central, western, southern and northwestern provinces and in Trincomalee district.
The Met Department also issued a warning stating that sea areas extending from Mana to Potterville via Colombo, Galle and Hambantota will experience strong winds of between 60 to 70 km per hour. As such, those engaged in naval and fishing activities are advised not to venture into the seas until further notice. Subsequent to the current inclement weather patterns, the National Building Research Organisation extended landslide warnings to several districts.
Warning level 2 alert amber warning was issued to Sitavaka Division Secretary Division Colombo District, Matukuman Bula Single Division Secretary Cultural District, Kirialla, Alapata, Kalavana, Ahliavuda, Ayagama, Purvita, Ratnapura, Imbulpan, Balangoda Division Secretary Division Ratnapura District, Ampukamu Korle Division Secretary Nuwara District. Warning level 1 which yellow warning was issued to Aldumulla, Badulla, Haputale, Haliala and Ella Division Secretary Division Badulla District, Paduka Division Secretary Colombo District, LPT and Nagoda Division Secretary Galle District, Atharangala Division Secretary Gampa District, Palallavita, Horana, Dodangoda, Agaravatta, Ingiri and Palindanu Division Secretary Cultural District, Udunuvara, Udapalata, Gangahira Korle, Ududumbara, Yatinuvara, Pasbaya Korle and Kandi Pogravit and Gangavata Korle Division Secretary in Kandi District, Dehiovita, Budat Kovitia, Mavanella, Ruanwell, Yatiantota, Varakapola, Kegol, Galigamua, Deranigal and Aranaika Division Secretary in Kegol District, Alawa, Polgahavela and Naramala Division Secretary in Kuranga District, Kotmale Division Secretary in Nuwara District, Kahavatta, Nivitigala, Palmadula and Opanayaka Division in Ratnapura District.